Gonna go check buckets? Huh? So a little rabbit update before I go check sap buckets and tap some more trees. So it's noon now. Look at those little guys, so cute. Yeah, hey Veronica. So yeah, it's noon. I fed all these guys this morning, so they're all eating pellets and hay. They're drinking water out of the bottles, all of them. So these are the oldest bunnies, firstborn. They're doing well. And you got Betty here. Hers were the second born. So they're doing well. Again, everyone's eating hay and pellets, drinking water. A little Pistol Pete down there. Someone's pissing. It's Pistol Pete, my one buck. Stump of George, my other buck. And there's Elizabeth. So, yeah, everyone's out of their house, hanging out with Mom in the feed hay. But yeah, so even them, they're all eating. So these are the newest babies, and they're already pretty good size. I'd have to look at the chart. I forget how old at the moment they are, but so cute. Hey, Elizabeth. That out. All white with the little gray nose. Oh, adorable. There's another one. Someone's excited to be out. So I left this morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. Just went to the store real quick. Truck said 52 degrees. So because of my one arm, I have to carry all this crap. I'm trying to set, well, it's all I can carry. 5 more gallon jugs. Get some tools in there, some taps, and whatever. So I'm only going to be able to do like before and afters, because I can't carry the tripod. But you can see that. Dripping like crazy. Yeah, not even in the jug. You can see the tree's all wet. This one's just absolutely overflowing. There's still ice in that, but that's dripping. That one dripping like crazy. It's overflowing. That one dripping. Pretty much full. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. Well, 3.5 gallons, a little more than that. So let me dump these and set those up a little better. Actually catch the friggin' sap. So yeah, those 2 gallons right there in the front, the bigger ones with the handles, I have to prop them with sticks now, because as they get heavy they just pull away from the tap. It's causing me a bit of fits, but we'll get it done. So right out of the gate, it's pretty much 5 gallons. I have, well, that second barrel's empty, but I've had some in there, half gallon maybe. So dump that in there and go do the rest of the line. Hey! Get out of there. Alright. So there's about another half gallon or a little bit more. Looking from here, it's probably 3/4 of a gallon on that one. I think there's another one over there behind the trees, but another one there. Definitely full, probably overflowing or dripping out of it. And there's another one. Where are you? Yeah, hard to see. Right there. That looks pretty much full too. So I'm in the good area, so what I really need to do is get rid of some of these buckets. So I'm going to go set all 5 of these. That way I can free up, you know, a hand and fill up these 5-gallon buckets. Alright, so before heading back and starting to collect, just tap that one. See, it's dripping pretty good. And then on the same tree, that one's dripping really good. So, and I put out that one there, so 2 more, so 4 so far. I got 1 more gallon jug to put out, but let's go back and start collecting. Is that one I just showed from the last tree? It's dripping pretty good. Alright, 5th tap I put out. Dripping like crazy. Now, let's go collect sap. That one's still like a thick block of ice there, but got quite a bit out of it. I got 1 more over here that's chock full. Dripping good. So we got a few more to check. I'm about, I don't know, more than halfway full on this 5-gallon bucket. So we already got 5 gallons. So doing pretty good. Another 2.5, 3 gallons to add to that. Just about up to the handles again. So I would say after the next few buckets that we check, I forget how many I have down there, it's like 4 or 5. I would say that should be definitely full, probably a little bit in the next one as well, or the next blue barrel that is. Look! Alright, got 1 bucket over there, a jug, have these 2, one's damn near full, the other one's dripping, but real slow, but it's got some in it. And we have another one up over that way, can't see it from here, it's probably behind a tree. And then I got another one up that way. So 5 over here. Water's running pretty good. Everything's melting finally. Hopefully that continues. Alright, so the last jug is probably half a gallon. And this is up on the the other side of my property where I pulled them all because they weren't really producing that much. And I bet you it's probably closer to 60 degrees right now. I mean, you never know. So weather's everything with this, with the freeze thaw method. You know, it could just straight warm up and not drop below freezing at night anytime, and boom, you're out of sap. So we'll just keep poking along at it. Pretty good haul for today, I would say. I don't know, 8 gallons pretty much overnight. Some were overflowing, so I lost a bit, but that's the nature of the beast. So the rest of the week, I think we have rain one of these days coming up, but it's supposed to be warm and freezing at night, so the rest of this week should be decent. I'm hoping to get at least, you know, the 21 gallons that I got that first round, and get like another half gallon of syrup, right? So at the end of it, end up with a gallon, hopefully. But obviously everybody wants it, right? You do all the hard work, you know, collecting it, tapping trees, boiling it down, and then, you know, people are out of the woodwork. Oh, save me a jar, save me a jar. Is what it is. So I think I'm gonna end up with like a half a pint out of that first batch because everyone else is getting the rest. But so yeah, hopefully I'll end up with the same amount. I'll probably give a couple more away and have some for the homestead. So let's collect this up and dump it in the barrel and call it a good day.